Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to change your key fob battery in your Harley Davidson key fob. Quick and easy. All right. I do this every year before riding season. It's April. The bike's ready to go. But I change my battery annually. I think Harley Davidson says you could change it every 2 years or whatever. I change it every year. When I first got my Harley Davidson back in 2021, my Road Glide Limited, it's the first motorcycle I had that had a key fob. Me and my brother were out in Buffalo, and then I started having issues with the bike not wanting to start. We're at a gas station, it didn't want to start. It'd come on, you turn it on, it didn't want to, it just wouldn't start. Come to find out, I don't know, it was a key fob issue, I don't know. I guess other than that, some people get messages on their bike saying that low battery, and so they can change it. I've never seen that on mine. I just know I have difficulty starting it when mine goes bad. So from that day on, I change mine annually when I pull the bike out. So this is pretty similar to every key fob out there. All your other motorcycles with key fobs, like Gold Wing and stuff like that. Probably BMW. I don't know. Same on your cars and your trucks, and they pretty much almost all of them take the same CR2032 battery, where you can get any grocery store, pharmacy, stuff like that. Dealership, don't buy it at the dealership though, because it'll cost you an arm and a leg at the dealership. Even buying them at the pharmacy and stuff, it's a little pricey. So you can go on Amazon and find them a little bit cheaper, but they are a little bit more of an expensive battery. But anyway, pretty much the same process on any key fob. All right. Okay. Here's my Harley key fob. There is a little slot. I don't know if you can see it there. Let me see. Come on, focus. Right there. A lot of people grab a big screwdriver and try to put it in there and try to flip it up. But when you use a screwdriver, it kind of mars this up a little bit. A good thing is some people use a dime, fits in there. But the best thing is a nickel. You put it in there and flick it. Mine's been opened quite a few times. I can almost use my fingernails, so I can just put it in there. But you pry it up, but you might break your fingernails. But I got a lot of strong fingernails. But I'll just use the nickel this time. Put it in there, pop it open. This is what it looks like, all right? The writing on the top. Then there's a little slot right here where you can either put your fingernail in if you got a long fingernail, or a skinny screwdriver, and you just pop up your battery, flies right out. And I got one in here. Try to get these out. New one, Energizer, my last one. And tell you what, they put these things in here with a whole wad of plastic, hard plastic. These batteries are hard to get out of these packages. I don't know why, but anyway. And then you just put your new one in here. It slides in underneath there. It's in there. And then you just close it back up. And that's it. And then you're all set, and I don't have to worry about it for the riding season. Brand new battery. I guess you could, if you got a bad battery, it might give you an issue, but other than that, I'm set, all ready to go. Like I said, quick, easy video. I suggest doing it every year. It doesn't cost much just to change it out at the beginning of the year, then you're all set for your whole riding season. That's what I do. I do also carry, spare batteries in my saddlebag of my motorcycle, just in case something happens, or somebody else has an issue. If we're riding with other people and they have an issue with their fob, and I have spare batteries. Okay, that's it for today's video. So, have you changed your key fob battery? Make sure you do. All right, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I greatly appreciate it if you would, if you're interested in motorcycle content. All right. And if you want to see some more videos, and hopefully pretty soon me and my brother will be out, so there'll be some more shenanigans, you can watch the next one up here. See you in the next. Peace.